Hi. In this video we will be talking about the importance of managing your money. Watch this video to the end to learn about financial stability. Welcome back to the International CEO. In a world where financial stability is crucial for personal well-being and success, understanding the fundamentals of managing money is essential. Whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, mastering the basics of finance can set you on the path to achieving your financial goals. In this guide, we will explore the key principles of managing money effectively, covering topics ranging from budgeting and saving to investing and debt management. Definition and importance of personal finance. Personal finance refers to the management of an individual's financial activities, including budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for the future. It is crucial for achieving financial stability, enabling individuals to meet their financial goals and navigate life's uncertainties. Setting financial goals. Establishing clear financial goals helps provide direction and motivation in managing money effectively. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART, such as saving for retirement, buying a house, or paying off debt. Assessing financial health. Evaluating your current financial situation involves calculating net worth, analyzing income and expenses, and reviewing debt levels. Tools like budget spreadsheets or financial apps can help track spending and identify areas for improvement. Section 2. Budgeting and saving. Creating a budget. A budget is a financial plan that outlines income and expenses over a specific period, typically monthly. Start by listing all sources of income and categorizing expenses into fixed, e.g., rent, utilities, and variable, e.g., groceries, entertainment. Allocate funds for essential expenses first, then prioritize savings and debt repayment. Managing expenses. Identify areas where expenses can be reduced or eliminated to free up funds for savings or debt repayment. Strategies such as meal planning, negotiating bills, and avoiding impulse purchases can help control spending. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net for unexpected expenses or income disruptions. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account, such as a savings account or money market fund. Debt management. Understanding types of debt. Debt can be classified as good, e.g., mortgage, student loans, or bad, e.g., high-interest credit card debt. High-interest debt can quickly accumulate and hinder financial progress, so prioritizing repayment is essential. Developing a debt repayment strategy. Consider using the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to tackle debt systematically. The debt avalanche method involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while the debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first for psychological motivation. Avoiding new debt. To prevent falling back into debt, practice responsible borrowing habits and avoid taking on new debt unless necessary. Paying with cash or debit cards instead of credit cards can help control spending and reduce the temptation to accumulate debt. Investing basics. Importance of investing. Investing allows individuals to grow their wealth over time through the power of compounding returns. Starting early and investing regularly can significantly impact long-term financial success. Investment vehicles. Common investment options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, real estate, and retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. Each investment vehicle has its own risk and return characteristics, so diversification is key to managing risk. Risk tolerance and asset allocation. Risk tolerance refers to an individual's willingness and ability to withstand investment losses. Asset allocation involves distributing investments across different asset classes, e.g., stocks, bonds, cash, based on risk tolerance and investment goals. Retirement planning. Importance of retirement planning. Planning for retirement is crucial to ensure financial security during one's later years. Factors such as life expectancy, inflation, and healthcare costs should be considered when setting retirement goals. Retirement accounts. Employer-sponsored retirement accounts like 401(k)s and individual retirement accounts, IRAs, offer tax advantages and opportunities for long-term growth. Take advantage of employer matching contributions and maximize contributions to retirement accounts whenever possible. Calculating retirement needs. Estimate retirement expenses based on current lifestyle and expected changes in retirement. Consider factors such as inflation, healthcare costs, and potential sources of retirement income, e.g., Social Security, pensions, investment returns. Managing money effectively is a skill that can be learned and mastered with time and effort. By understanding the basics of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, individuals can take control of their financial future and work towards achieving their financial goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, the principles outlined in this guide provide a solid foundation for navigating the complexities of personal finance and securing a brighter financial future. In a world where financial stability is crucial for personal well-being and success, understanding the fundamentals of managing money is essential. Whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, mastering the basics of finance can set you on the path to achieving your financial goals. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve deeper into key principles of managing money effectively, covering topics ranging from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. Financial literacy and education. Financial literacy refers to the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions. It empowers individuals to understand concepts such as budgeting, investing, and debt management, leading to improved financial outcomes. Sources of financial education. Seek out educational resources such as books, online courses, workshops, and seminars to improve financial literacy. Many organizations and financial institutions offer free resources and tools to help individuals learn about personal finance. Lifelong learning. Financial literacy is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation to changes in the financial landscape. Stay informed about economic trends, financial regulations, and new investment opportunities to make informed decisions. Principles of investing. Investing involves deploying capital with the expectation of generating returns over time. Principles such as diversification, risk management, and long-term thinking are fundamental to successful investing. Strategies for investment success. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. Rebalancing your investment portfolio periodically helps maintain the desired asset allocation and manage risk. Investment risks and rewards. All investments carry some degree of risk, including the risk of loss of principal. Higher risk investments may offer the potential for higher returns but also come with increased volatility and potential losses. Importance of estate planning. Estate planning involves creating a plan for the management and distribution of your assets upon death or incapacity. It ensures that your wishes are carried out and can help minimize taxes and avoid disputes among heirs. Components of an estate plan. A comprehensive estate plan typically includes a will, trust, power of attorney, and healthcare directive. Review and update your estate plan regularly to reflect changes in your financial situation or family circumstances. Wealth transfer strategies. Strategies such as gifting, charitable giving, and life insurance can facilitate the transfer of wealth to future generations. Consult with a qualified estate planning attorney or financial advisor to develop a personalized wealth transfer plan. Overspending and lifestyle inflation. Overspending occurs when expenses exceed income, leading to increased debt and financial stress. Lifestyle inflation refers to the tendency to increase spending as income rises, undermining efforts to save and invest for the future. Neglecting emergency savings. Failing to establish an emergency fund can leave individuals vulnerable to unexpected expenses or income disruptions. Prioritize building an emergency fund to ensure financial stability during challenging times. Ignoring debt warning signs. Ignoring warning signs of debt problems, such as missed payments or growing balances, can lead to financial hardship. Take proactive steps to address debt issues, such as contacting creditors, negotiating payment plans, or seeking assistance from credit counseling services. Monitoring and adjusting your financial plan. Importance of regular review. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan ensures that it remains aligned with your goals and objectives. Changes in life circumstances, financial markets, or economic conditions may necessitate modifications to your plan. Tracking progress. Monitor your financial progress by tracking key metrics such as net worth, savings rate, and investment performance. Celebrate milestones along the way and use setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. Seeking professional advice. Consider seeking guidance from qualified professionals, such as financial advisors, tax professionals, or estate planning attorneys. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice and help you navigate complex financial decisions. Managing money effectively is a lifelong journey that requires ongoing education, discipline, and adaptability. By mastering the basics of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and retirement planning, individuals can build a solid foundation for achieving their financial goals and securing their future. Whether it's creating a budget, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, the principles outlined in this guide provide a roadmap for success. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions, you can pave the way to financial independence and peace of mind. Additionally, understanding the importance of financial literacy and seeking ongoing education can further enhance your financial management skills and confidence in decision-making. By staying informed about economic trends, investment opportunities, and changes in financial regulations, you can adapt your financial strategy to meet evolving needs and circumstances. Moreover, avoiding common financial pitfalls such as overspending, neglecting emergency savings, and ignoring debt warning signs is crucial for maintaining financial health and stability. By proactively addressing these challenges and implementing sound financial practices, you can mitigate risks and build a solid financial future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.